Hey everyone, it's Jen with ChappyPlans. Thanks for joining me for today's video. This is my social media planner. It's a dashboard layout and I'm planning for June 6th through the 12th. So if you'd like to see what I'm gonna do, stick around. Hello planner friends. Hello Chappy fam. Welcome to my channel. I am excited to be planning for June. It's June. It's really June. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. But I'm still going to use these spring birds because technically the first day of summer is not until June 21st. So I wanted to sneak these cutie patooties in before I feel like I'm in 1000% full summer mode. These are from designer Chameleon. Mandy is amazing. I'm on her rep team, and you can use my code, which is Jen15 to save, plus you will get my exclusive freebie. I'll link these stickers below for you in case you're interested. Just super obsessed with these. I love the birds. She's super talented too. I cannot believe, like, look at these little finches. And actually right now in our backyard, we have a nest with 4 robin's eggs, which is super exciting. I pulled this like wood washi because I feel like it definitely goes. I forgot to pull boxes, so I will need to do that as well. Oopsie poopsie. But where did I get this washi? I want to say Michael's, but I might be lying. I might use the grid as an accent and then the wood look for other parts of the spread. But I should wipe these things out first. Yeah. So the nest is on top of our like light on the back porch, and it's been there. It's funny because that nest is not new. It was there for a whole year last summer, and then nobody like inhabited it. We never took it down because we were lazy. And this year, like the year before that, there were birds in there. But this year, apparently, the mommy bird is utilizing the nest. They may have added like some extra, you know, twigs or whatever to make it their own, did their own little reno on the nest situation. But we were surprised. Like my husband was like, yeah, there's a bird in there. It flew, like when he opened the back door, I guess a few weeks ago, he was like, yeah, the bird just flew out of the nest. And I was like, what? So I put Nora up on my shoulders and had her take a peek very carefully, made sure she didn't touch it, nothing like that. But yeah, I was like, what? There's a mama bird in there with some babies. And there, sure enough, are 4 robin's eggs. I'm going to use this beautiful sky blue color because it's super pretty. Isn't that crazy though? I mean, I guess it's not that crazy, but I just didn't know that birds would utilize, it's like an apartment. We have an apartment nest on our porch. So fun. Listen, you know that house prices are crazy right now, so birds just being smart, okay? Alrighty. Let's use one of these down here for my rep teams. Hey, hey, hey. None of that. None of that allowed. All right. Here. Look how cute. It's so cute. I can't. I just posted, if y'all follow me, then you know that I film on Tuesdays. And on Tuesdays is when I post my Passion Planner Daily, and I just did a spread with ladybugs, actually also designer Chameleon stickers. I just love Mandy's stuff. What can I say? And there, I was like, I don't know what it is, but I'm just here for all the winged creatures. Maybe I'll do Okay, so I'm wondering if I probably have some sort of green. Let me see. Maybe I've got a brown in here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure Mojo Dojo Plans just had a big sale, like with a restock. So I don't know what's still available and what's not, but I can never link her stickers, unfortunately, because they typically sell out pretty quickly. Like that. Okay, but now I need my X-Acto knife. Just trim this little piece. Oh, so cute. I gotta cover up these dates. I want to use the do you want to use the houses or the eggs? I think I'm gonna go with the eggs. Monday. Before I do that, I'm gonna put this washi across the top as well. Okay, cute. Tuesday. I gotta white out the rest of this one. I don't usually do this, but I feel like it. Might as well use them, right? They coordinate perfectly. Sorry about the loud truck. There's like a ridiculously large pothole right outside. We live on a busy road, and there's a huge pothole right in front of our driveway. And anytime a truck goes by, which lots of trucks go up and down the busy road, it makes a loud sound. So I apologize if you heard that. Okay, I'm gonna use a square. Let's see how I want to do this. I think I'm gonna put this one down here. And then I want to use these houses, but I think I wonder if I can cover up like the Monday. I'm trying to be sneaky. Let's do this one over here. Nope, it's gotta come over more. You see what I'm trying to do, friends? I'm trying to cover up where it says Monday. Yeah, okay. And then I could use this one over here. Oh, yeah, baby. That's a good idea. Way to go, Jen. It's the little things, okay? I don't know why there'd be like a random egg just chilling, but maybe there is. All right, now it's time to bring this grid washi in. This is like a super neutral, it's white with a sage green grid that I got in a roll of grid washi from Michael's. It's pretty new. I'm sure you can grab it still if you want it. And I would love to be able to put things down straight. That's my goal. I've only been planning like this for, 2 years. But one day, friends, it'll happen. It'll be a glorious day, and I'll mark it on my calendar, and maybe I'll have a small celebration. The day Jen put a sticker down straight. Not these stickers, obviously, but boxes and washi. It's just a struggle. Okay. I wasn't sure about that. I was like, do I want it there? I don't know. Yeah, that's cute. I kind of want a quote or something for here. Thinking what I might have for quotes. I got this new sticker book from Hobby Lobby called Dried Florals. I've not used it yet, but I think there's going to be some quotes in here that will go well. All right. Less hustle, more life, maybe. I'm going to put that one down here. Okay. And keep growing and keep going. You are capable. That fits really well right here. I'm trying to tell myself that it's okay to have white space. Let me know in the comments if you struggle with that. You're like, oh, white space, gotta fill it, gotta fill it, gotta fill it. Gotta fill it. It's awkward. Like the green is obviously not the same exact green as this, but I think it's okay. I don't know, you tell me. Have I disgraced you with my decision? Hopefully not. Okay, and then I write in my categories here. I'm trying to practice my brush lettering because it's a bit atrocious, but I'm trying to figure out what color I want to use because I have an insane selection of brush lettering pens. I think I'm going to do a brown. I'll use my Tombow. This one is to film. And then this one is just to do. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put a skinny box up here so that I can label it. This will be for my reels. All right. Cute. I think that side's done. And this side is my posting schedule. Sorry, I'm concentrating. I'm being quiet because I'm concentrating. I can't do two things at once. Yeah, that brush lettering, I apologize, friends. I just never practice it. I probably should. All right. I'm gonna do what I do, which is I'm gonna put some boxes down here. Oh yeah, here we go. This size. Okay. And then I can bring in a couple brown. I put these down lightly because They are not easy to peel up. And I can't tell if that's straight or not. I think it's not, but it's like minuscule and I'm not gonna even deal with that. So it's fine. And then I'll do one more up here. Perfect. Then I have keep growing and keep going. I'll put that there. And then I can bring in some of the grid. Back on the grid. Ooh. Yeah. I was debating whether to put it on top or bottom. All that really depends on, for me, is like balance. If I think it needs more on up on this part of the page or down below. But since I got some boxes down here, I think I'm good. Okay. Okay. I'll put this nest. So what's throwing me is the circular shape of the nest and the ovular shape of the eggs. I don't like the circles all in a row like this. So I'm gonna put it down here. Okay. That's better. And we have our little chickadee. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. Okay. This one's gonna go here. And this one can go here. Look at this robin. Caca! The robins and the finches are duking it out. Should you be like coming in hot like this? It's kind of aggressive. Caca! I don't know, and it's huge. So I think because this one's bigger, oops, I just covered up that egg. Here I go, being Edward Sticker Hands again. This one is smaller. This one is larger. It can go here. There, that's better. And that makes me want to put a couple eggs underneath this nest. Or underneath this house. I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense. But that's okay. I never make any sense. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now I just have a couple more stickers to use. I'm gonna put the house up here with they're flipping stickers. It's not that serious. But I need to do some fussy cutting, fussy cutting, fussy cutting. I want to put this one here. Can I move this clear sticker though? Probably not, but let's see. All right. I'm almost out of this bottle, but I'm pretty sure I have another one. The magic of undo. I'm in the wrong profession, y'all. I should be a jingle writer. Dry, dry, dry. Whoops. All right. I'm sorry if you can hear. Apparently my neighbor is having some sort of construction done. It's very loud. I don't know if you can hear the like grinding and all the noise. Okay. This one's coming in hot. I'm coming in hot. Okay. And this one, well, that doesn't make, why do I care? I don't really. There. And then Finchy, Finchy. Alrighty. Now I just have these little bitty eggs. Little bitty eggs. And I'm going to put the other Finch ones over here. Okay. Yay! Burr, 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 burr. We used a whole sticker sheet. We used a whole sticker sheet. Does it look like it pooped out an egg? Crack myself up. I always do this. I have like 2 itty bitty little things left and I'm like, oh, they have to go down in the perfect spot or else like it matters. Okay. OMG. Now I need my Zig Clean Color Dot. I'm going to use oatmeal. That's good. Perfect. That is my spread. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. Squeezing in all the spring things before it's fully summer. Let me know what you guys think. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my content. I am trying so desperately to grow my YouTube channel. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I really, really hope you enjoyed this and have a great week. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember that you are enough. Bye.